Online students, good morning all of you. Is it okay audio and video? Okay. So last session we completed about dialects, three types of dialects, elective, conform and prompt. And moving to the next topic and the next explanation, JavaScript operators, working with operators indirectly. So what is operator and how many types of operators are available, that I am going to listing. So first of all, uh, operator is nothing but a special character, but which is used to perform certain operation or task. If you want to call anything as a operator, that operator they must do some operation. Without performing any operation, we should not call as a operator. If I'm unable to perform any operation, then what about me, sir? You becomes as just a special character, or you becomes as a symbol, ante. You are just a symbol. No special operations in that one. If any of the symbol performing some operation, those called as operator. Right. Any of the symbol performing some operation, those only called as operators. If they're not performing any operations, just call as a symbol, or you can call as a special character. That's all. So, conclusion, each and every operator, they should do some works are compulsory. Every operator, they should perform some work. Logical or calculation or assignment or something work is compulsory. Next, every operator is a symbol, but every symbol is not a operator. All operators are 100% symbols as by birth, but all symbols are not becomes as operators. Every operator is a symbol, but every symbol is not a operator. Every every surgeon is a doctor, but every doctor is not surgeon. Doctors different, surgeons different. Doctors are treating the patients and then surgeons cutting, stitching, మళ్ళీ కొయ్యటం అతికించటం కొయ్యటం అతికించటం. So every surgeon first they should become as a doctor. After the doctor, then they are going to doing the surgeons. And doctors what are just treating the patient, suggesting the medicines, and they are not doing any operations. So all doctors are not surgeons, but all surgeons are the doctors only. Like that, all operators are symbols, but all symbols are not operators. Next, if I want to use any operator, I need some values compulsory. That values are technically called as the operands. So what are the values we required? Those values technically is called as operands. But we are never using this pronunciation, sir. Mostly we are calling as values, 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 values only. And operands and a pronunciation nobody is using generally, including myself also. But actual pronunciation is operand. Suppose this is A plus B. So plus is the operator and A and B are the operands. And if I write the suppose 10 minus 20, sir, minus is the operator and 10, 20 are the operands. And how many types of operators we have, sir? Three types available basically, three categories. Unary operators, binary operators, and ternary operators. So these are the types of operators, unary, binary, and ternary. Under unary category, we'll get the two operators. One is the increment and second one is the decrement. Unary category. And binary category, we'll get the five: arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, concatenation. Arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, concatenation. All these five categories comes under the binary. So these are the unary 2 categories, and these are the binary 5 categories. And this is the ternary 1 operator. So total 3 categories and 8 types. 2 plus 5 plus 1, total 8. All these 8 types are divided into 3 categories. We have total 8 types of operators, sir. No, sir, not total 8 types. We have total around 14 to 15 types of operators are available. But you 8 only you listed, sir. Sir, 8 only I'm explaining. Remaining, you can learn yourself. So increment operator, decrement operator, arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, concatenation operator, and conditional operators. So these 8 we are now going to discussing with the 3 names, unary, binary, and ternary. And these all are operators. Every operator doing some work, compulsory. 8 types available, 8 types operators, they're doing some work. And now we are going to starting one by one. So first I'm going to starting with the arithmetic operator, nothing but an binary operators. Defining a two variables here, some x equals to 13, y equals to 8. So the first one is arithmetic operators. What are the arithmetic operators and what is the purpose of arithmetic operators, sir? First purpose. Arithmetic operators are used to perform basic mathematical calculations. Arithmetic operators are used to perform basic mathematical calculations. Purpose is that one. And what are the operators available, sir? Plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, slash for coefficient division, percentage for modulus operation means remainder, and double star for exponents operation. So plus for addition, minus for subtraction, and asterisk for multiplication, slash for coefficient division, percentage for modulus division, and double asterisk for exponent values, the power values. So these are the total 6 arithmetic operators. And arithmetic operators we must be used on the number data types only, not strings. Number data types only it is supported, other data types are not supported. Starting the implementation. Document dot write followed by x plus y, comma, line break. So find the sum of x and y and print the result. Once the result is printing completed, then apply the line break. Next, similarly, document dot write followed by x multiplied with 3, comma, line break. So what we did, sir, x multiplying with 3, single star. Single star means multiplication. 13 into 3. Okay, I'll take the y, easy to multiply. 8 into 3, 24. But what about the double star, sir? That only I'm trying to show here, sir. So y star 3, y star star 3. This first one meaning 8 multiplied with 3. Second one meaning 8 cube. That is the difference. This is cube and this is multiplication. Next percentage, sir. X percentage 3 or x percentage 5. Reminder it returns. Percentage operator returns the reminder. So the answer is this one. Correct na sir? 100% correct sir. There is no problem at that. So this is the uses of arithmetic operators. Out of 6, 4 operators I shown sir. Remaining you can try. All operators I'm listing, but any category complete I'm not going to showing. 60% I'm going to showing. With this knowledge, remaining you can try yourself. Sir, just now I said, sir, what is the meaning of this one? 2 minutes back, kada? X plus plus, sir. Sir, Dinesh Kumar, is there any plus plus here? Use the small common sense. What are the operators I listed here? Plus, minus, star, slash, percentage, double star. How the plus plus is comes here? Huh? What are the operator you asked? It is available in this list. Who said, sir? Who said? Dinesh, who said your own knowledge? Somebody who said, could I clearly given the list to you are objecting that one? Huh? What you dropped the message, that is arithmetic operator. Who explained to you? Your own knowledge. Screen visible or not first? Hmm? What are the operators I listed? In that your given operator is there? Sir, how you are getting doubt there? Clearly I listed here. Only if I use it here a dot 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 and some more operators available, maybe in that your listed operators that chances is there. I clearly mentioned these are the operators. At least if I rotate here, etc., and maybe some more operators available. In that some more, your given operator chances are there. I clearly listed here 6 operators. And 6 operators purposes also I pronounced that one. Additional, subtraction, multiplication, coefficient, modulus, and power value. I'm not listed the operator what you are asking here. First check that one. If anybody said plus plus is arithmetic operator, that's 100% wrong information, sir. Out of 6 arithmetic operators, so 4 I used here. Remaining 2, you just used in the same manner only. Next one is the relational operators. Second binary category, relational operators. First purpose. Every operator 2 points comes there. One purpose, second list of operators. Purpose. Purpose is to provide the comparison between two values. Comparison. Relational operators are used for comparison purpose. I think somebody who thought that conditions also, relational operator used for writing conditions. Maybe your thought also correct. my point of view అయితే comparison. Comparison actual pronunciation, sir. Sometimes the same comparison you are calling as a condition. Sometimes the same condition we are also calling as test case also. Test cases center. So relational operators purpose wise are to provide the comparison between the two items. Any type of comparison. Small or big or equal or not equal or any type of comparison. The comparisons also called as conditions, also called as test cases. Situation wise, the sounding is going to changing. And what are the operators comes under this category, sir? Greater than for biggest comparison, less than for smallest comparison, greater than or equals to biggest or same comparison, biggest or same, less than or equals to smallest or same, equals to same, not equals to not same comparison, equals to same comparison and equal comparison, and not equals to. Total 8 relational operators available. So first one greater than for biggest comparison, second one less than for smallest comparison, third one greater than or equals to biggest or same comparison, less than or equals to smallest or same comparison, less than or equals to smallest or same comparison, equals to. This is same comparison, same. Both values same or not, a comparison of double equals to available, triple equals to also available. Both are equal comparisons or both are same or not a comparison only. But why the two things are a small difference available, sir? This is loose comparison, loose equal comparison. This is a strict equal comparison. Double equals to is the loose equal comparison. Triple equals to is the strict equal comparison. Same way, this is loose not equal comparison. This is loose not equal comparison, and this is a strict not equal comparison. This is strict not equal comparison. The two loose comparisons are two strict compare. So loose equal, loose not equal, strict equal, strict not equal. Pronunciations are that one. Now some of the operators I'm going to showing here. And before operators, one small point here. But total 8 relational operators available. And all these 8 relational operators are the Boolean operators only. All these are the Boolean operators. What is the meaning, sir? After completion of comparison, after checking of the condition, it returns the result to either true or false. So that's why we called as a Boolean operators. This operator result compulsory true or false only, no other words, no other values. And now check it. Document dot right followed by x greater than or equals to 0. Line break. X greater than or equals to 0. So what is this is called, sir? Comparison. I'm comparing the x with 0. Actual pronunciation that only, sir. I'm comparing the x with 0. Technically, this is called as the conditional. In the condition, what you are doing or what is the meaning of the condition, sir? I'm comparing x with 0. Which comparison? Biggest or equal comparison? The compulsory finally you have to use the comparison word. If anybody asked to explain this condition, what you are explaining? X greater than or equals to 0 or not, I am comparing. You should use the terminology compulsory. But comparison success will get the true answer Comparison failure will get the false answer. Simple thing. Next, similarly, what is the difference between the double equals to and triple equals to and this one and this one? As practical I am showing here. So let z equals to 8. Z equals to 8. Now the value of y is also 8 and the value of z is also 8. But that 8, this 8 not same. Because this 8 available inside the codes and this 8 available open area. So this 8 is called as number data type and this 8 is called as the string data type. Y is a number and Z is a string. So number string I am doing the comparison. Generally number string comparison actually not correct. But my JavaScript special gravity it is comparing and you'll give the answer true. Answer true. Do festival. Pandaga cheskondi. The previous x greater than or equals to 0 and this is z equals to y r naught. So how it is true getting, sir? Loose comparison. Loose in the sense it's not strictly checking the value. That much of strictly not checking. Okay, go. The simple. That is loose comparison means that only. Strict comparisons are thoroughly it is going to checking. Loose comparison in the sense that much of thoroughly it is not going to checking. While entering into shopping malls, security guards are checking any shopping mall. Inarbit mall, in Nexus mall, or Manjira mall, something. How they are checking? Idosari. Remaining part not going to checking. Bottom of the leg they are not going to checking. Bottom of the shoe is also not going to checking. But what they are checking, I don't know that one. I asked one day I got the doubt and I asked on security guard also in Inarbit mall, what you are checking, Anna? Are sir checking the body, Anna? Total you checked, Anna? No, sir, Anna. Oh, yeah. And 10 customers, 20 customers, I think will check thoroughly, sir. Daily thousands of people are coming. How can check thoroughly, sir? One person, if I want to check thoroughly, it takes the 3 to 4 minutes. But 20 customers, suddenly they are entering into at a time. 20 into 3 minutes, 60 minutes. And a customer, they have to wait 1 hour for entering into shopping mall, sir. You the just touch me not style. Check chesama leda annattu. I asked him. They given that answer. And if you go for the airport, sir, pin to pin point also they are going to checking. Pin to pin point. If you have the belt for your fan, a belt also you should remove compulsory. You have to remove the belt and give to the security guard. I have watch to my hand, sir. Remove the watch and hand out to security guard. Wallet available, sir. Wallet should hand out to security guard. Mobile we have to hand out to security guard. Water bottle available, sir. The water bottle also you should hand out to security guard. Checking, well, again returning to all products to you. Anything. So except the cloth type of items, if anything on the body available, you should remove that one. Compulsory. A very risky process in airports. That much of thoroughly they are checking. Your ornaments checking, your body top to skirt, bottom it is going to checking. Like lady, genta, kidda, old age, everything they are going to checking. Shoes inside, if any iron pieces like these metals things available, sir, removing the shoes compulsory. That is the airport level of security checking. So these two airport level of security checks, so these two one shopping style of security checks, meaning. So loose comparison. 8 matching, but data type is not going to matching. What then? 8 matching go under the simple thing. Then only we got the answer true here. But same thing I'm writing with the triple equals to, sir, airport security guard and pin to pin point they are going to checking. That's why we got the answer false. Pin to pin point checking. So pin to pin point checking scenario, what happens, sir? 8 matching, but data type is not matching. So then only it is objected and returning the true. So loose comparison or strict comparison. In double equals scenario, what happens? It focuses on the data, but not on the data type. But the strict equal scenario, what happens? It focuses on the data and also data type. Data and data type, if both are matching, then only we'll get the true. Here, if data is matching, it is going to return the true. Data type, no need to match it. This one, data and also data type, both we have to match it. Girls, say the difference between first one, second one. Sure, huh? Huh? Say once again, all of you. Properly not saying. Once again. Once again. Huh? Oh, not equals to. Not equals to, I'm not explaining, sir. Why that more over excitement? First, we are concluding this thing. I'm not going to touching that one. Hmm? Don't get the that much of excitement. Now wait. So this is loose comparison. This is the strict comparison. Loose comparison checks only data matching or not. That's all. But strict comparison checks that data matching or not and data type also matching or not. Both it is going to checking. Same thing these two also. Instead of equal comparison, they're doing the not equal comparison. Same data matching, data type matching. Not equals to. Well, doing the not equals to what it is checking, sir. Data not matching or not a checking. Data type not matching or not a not going to checking. Only data ne. Not equal, but focused only on the data. And it is also not equal, but focused on the data and data type. I want to compare the not equal. What you want to not equal, sir? Data must be not equal. Data type also must be not equal. Data and data type both should not same. This one is not equal. What it is focusing, sir, into only data not same or not a checking. That's all. So obviously answer what, sir? These two answers, sir, reverse answer it will comes. Double equals to opposite answer. Triple equals to opposite answer, obviously. So true, false kada. Now these two false and true. So this is opposite and this is opposite. Compulsory is the rule. Double equals to what it is returns, not equals to should return the negative value, opposite value. It's a formula, simple thing. But what they are comparing, sir, data and data types. So this is comparing data, this is comparing data. And these two comparing the data and data types. Equal comparison, not equal comparison. So lastly, one small suggestion here. Better avoid the loose comparisons, go for the strict comparisons for accurate results. Mm. In my JavaScript, I'm saying. So avoid the double equals to, always prefer the triple equals to. And avoid the exclamation equals to, and always prefer the exclamation double equals to. Because they are very strictly comparing, and you can increase the accuracy of the data also. Result accurately it will comes. So out of 8 to 5 operators I covered here, sir. In the similar way, remaining also. Remaining nothing. This is only less than, this is greater than or equals, this is less than or equals. Data type, no, sir. The data type only here, only concept. Next, the third category, relational operators. Sorry, logical operators, relational over, logical operators. So first purpose, what is the purpose of logical operators? To perform multiple comparisons at a time. Relational operators are used to perform the comparison. Logical operators are used to perform the multiple comparisons. It is simply relational operators, next level operators are the logicals. Relation operators, next level operators are the logical. So when you want to perform the multiple comparisons at a time, we need logical operators. So who is the operators are? Operators are these three are the operators. Double ampersand, piping symbol, exclamation. Double ampersand, piping symbol, exclamation. Your point of view, and are not. But symbol name not end. Symbol name is double ampersand. But we are calling and sir. That's your problem. And this is also not R, sir. That is called as the pipe symbol under the pipe, water pipe on the pipe symbol under. And this is called as the exclamation that you know because of the mathematics only. So double ampersand, pipe, exclamation. What is the meaning of this symbol, sir? And are not. And are not. And these logical operators also Boolean operators only, sir. Finally, they returns the true and falses only. But every logical operator for taking the final decision, they uses background truth tables enter. Every operator, they uses compulsory background truth tables. So three operators, so three tables available. That all the things in your notes available. So refer the documentation once. Clearly tables list also available. Now comes to the condition checking. Y greater than or equals to 0, comparison 1. Y less than or equals to 10, comparison 2. Your point of view, condition 1, no? Condition 2. But these two conditions I want to check at a time, sir. Compulsory, you have to take the support of logical operator. If I close like this, what happens? Syntax error is comes. So, because two operations, so connection missing. So between these two, some connectivity compulsory, the connectivity conjecture under English lo danni. Any idea? conjector. Verb, noun, pronoun like that, conjectors available. Two sentences, if you want to join it, conjector required. Who is the conjectors are and are. That and are this only. English. So use one of the conjector here based on the situation. This is first condition. This is the second condition. After that, apply the line break. But two conditions will get the two results, sir. Sir, every condition they have their own result compulsory. Their own result is available. And these two results are shortlisted based on the truth tables like this. So first condition is true. Second condition is true, sir. Final answer is true. First condition true. Second condition false. Final answer is false. First condition false, second condition true, sir. Then also final answer is false. Both are false, sir. Final answer is false. Three tables, three operators, three tables available. Page number 18. You have this information. On screen, I'm not writing the complete theory, sir. I'm just focusing on explanation. Theory already available in the document. So full theory document available, there we can collect it. Don't expect the theory on the screen. I'm focusing on program and explanation. So many points I'm not typing. I'm just using the pronunciation only. Maybe somebody is thinking internally. Sir, you are explaining but not typing, sir. Why I have to type? Because I already shared the document. Why I have to type? Document available already shared. Every day. What I explained up to now, everything is available. You go see this one. Purpose available, list available, and how to use the operators already is there in your document. Arithmetic operators, purpose, list, and how to use. What you need more than this? So, theory I'm not typing on the screen, I'm just pronouncing on them. If you miss any points, you can collect from the documentation. Every operator theory is available and the list of operator, how they are functioning, are detailedly given here. If you have any free time by chance, busy the generally, by chance free time and interest available candidates, open the document and refer it. Now final answer what's warranted? True. Because first condition is true, second condition is true, and between the and available, so final is also true. This is next one. Say x greater than 0 or not. This is I want to check. X greater than 0. But x equals to 0 or not, we have this one. No, sir, I want to check the not equal, sir. What we are doing simply here, not we are going to adding. Like that, I want to check x not greater than 0, no, not. This is greater than. But I interested to check not greater than. But mostly what we are doing, sir, not greater than, we are writing like as a less than. Instead of that, write the greater than, attach the not here. That is called as not greater than. Last operator purpose is this one. So if any comparison you want to check in the opposite direction, then we have to use the not. But 99% of the people not you are using in front of the equal only. Other places you are not using. Reasons are no awareness about that one. See that one in a systematic way. This is equal. What is opposite? Not equal. This is triple equal. What is opposite? Not double equal. Or what this is greater than. What is opposite? How less than it will comes? Not greater than kada. But mostly you are writing less than. Small mistake. So when you have the greater than, not greater than is there. When you have the less than, not less than is there. When you have the greater than or equals to, opposite to, not greater than or equals to is there. When you have the less than, opposite to, not less than or equals to is there. Not is the common. The original uses. But mostly this one, so many candidates, no idea. Obviously, you are changing into less than. You know, I know. Both we know that one. Hmm? So, Jago India, Jago. If any comparison you want to check in opposite direction, no need to change the comparison. You simply add the before that not. So write this in the brackets. And what is the results are? Condition is true, final answer false. Condition is false, final answer is true. Because this is the using not table using, negation table using. So x greater than 0 na sir. Yes, true. But before that not is there na, and you will get the answer false. So I have to check x is not greater than 0 or not. Yes, that is the simply we can write like this. So every condition before we can use this special logical operator for opposite comparisons. Out of three, two I used. Hmm? So third category, this one. Next to fourth category, assignment operators. Fourth category, assignment operator. First purpose. What is the purpose, sir? To store the data. Assignment operators are used to store the data. If you want to store the data in memory block, this operator we are using. Assigning means I'm giving the data to memory blocks. Who is the memory blocks are? Variables, arrays, objects, something, something, something. So for any memory block, if you want to store the data, we have to use assignment operator. Who is the operator, sir? Equal. That operator is equal, single equal, not double equals, not triple equals, just a single equal. Next, in this assignment category, we have one special category that we can call as a subcategory. Under the assignment subcategory, what is that subcategory, sir? Shorthand operators. This is the subcategory of the assignment operators are shorthand operators. What is the special of this one, sir? Shorthand operators means arithmetic operators plus assignment operator combination. When you combine the arithmetic operator and assignment operator, the result is called as the shorthand operator. Arithmetic and assignment combination. What is the purpose of this, sir? To perform mathematical calculations. Same first category I explained the arithmetic. Same purpose this one, but in the shortcut. Arithmetic operators purpose, shorthand operators purpose, same. But arithmetic operator little bit lengthy, shorthand operator shortcut. That is the difference. So who is the operator, sir? All six arithmetic operators repeated with the combination of assignment. So plus equals to, minus equals to, asterisk equals to, slash equals to, percentage equals to, and double star equals to. Double star equals to. So these are the shorthand operators. It's a combination of an arithmetic operator and assignment operator. It's a combination of arithmetic operator and assignment operator. Purposes are addition, subtraction, multiplication, coefficient, modulus, power value. Same purpose. Arithmetic, this one same purpose. Step push reducing. The assignment operator I am not showing separately, sir, because this is assignment operator, this is assignment operator, and even though this is also assignment operator. 3 times we already used in the same program. Last example, so many times we used that one. Shorthands I am focusing. Current x value 30, no? So x equals to x plus 20. This is my actual step. What is the meaning of this step, sir? Get the x value. First, get the x value, add it to 20. Result to overwrite in the same x. Resultant value replace in the same x variable. So collect the value of x, add it to 20. The resultant value overwrite in the same variable. This we can also write like this. This is called as shorthand operator. The two times variable name we don't need to write, sir. Just one time we can write it. Which operator works first, sir? Arithmetic operator first working, assignment operator next working. There are two operators available. Kada? Execution order is first arithmetic operator and then assignment operator as per the rules. Similarly, y equals to y multiplied with 10. This is actual step. Get the value of y, multiply with 10, and the resultant value overwrite in the same y. Resultant value overwrite in the same y. That we can also write like this. Simple. Comment lines correct, sir. This is correct. Comment lines arithmetic operator and this is shorthand operator. So difference between the arithmetic and shorthand. Meaning same, purpose same. Step different. Like that remaining also we can use in the same manner. These two answers I'm printing on screen. So document dot write followed by x comma, line break comma, y comma, line break. Both variables printing in the same lines. And the printing step same, but output comes into separate lines because BR tag is available. So this is output 33 and 80. Correct, sir? 100% correct. Next, concatenation operator. Fifth category and the last item in the binary category, concatenation operator. So what is the use of the concatenation, sir? To combine the two strings values. If we have the two strings, str1, str2, two pieces of strings available, sir. But these two I want to join it. Then we are using the concatenation. Appending of the two values or combining of the two values. Concatenation. This is called as concatenation. It is called as appending, sir. Of course, other situations appending. This situation it is called as concatenation. Jointing of the two values. Next one. Actual purpose is that one, sir. Who is the operator, sir? We know very well plus. Very well, antenna. Already 2-3 times we used this plus. At the top of the program, we used already one. But that time you said it's an arithmetic, sir. Huh? This time it is an arithmetic. This time it is a shorthand. This time it is a concatenation. And tomorrow, the same operator we called as a parsing operator also. Single operator, different names, different purposes. Multi-talented operator. Left shift to right shift, that is not assignment operators, sir. Those called as the bitwise operators, are a separate category. Generally, bitwise operators we are not using in generally. Then only I'm not touching that one. A separate category, the bitwise operators and one special category is there. 99% that operators we are not using in our programming generally. So we are not discussing that one. So plus is the concatenation operators, right? Plus. Next, one small guideline here. If you want to perform the concatenation, this is plus operator. This side one value available, this side one value available, or variable available, something. Value 1 and value 2. This plus is this one. So if you want to perform the concatenation, one of this value compulsory string. At least one value compulsory string. If there is no strings, sir, it never performs the concatenation. If the strings not available, what happens, sir? Automatically it performs the addition. Situational wise, the operator changing their behavior. Like that. Situational wise, it's changing the behavior. So both sides are any one side string available. I'm playing like as a concatenation. Both sides of strings not available, sir. I'm playing like as a addition. So based on the spontaneous response, spontaneously it's responding. So operator checks what is the data type of my left hand side and my right hand side. Both are not strings, sir. Go for arithmetic. Or both are strings, sir. Go for concatenation. Or one is string, sir. Then also go for concatenation. Any one is a string, concatenation. There is no strings, arithmetic addition. So same operator, how managing the different purposes are into giving the importance to data types. Which data type you are using as per the data type, situationally, spontaneously changing the operations. Now see the example. So document dot write followed by Rama plus Rao. And next you can take plus BR tag. Total three strings, three pieces. The three pieces I'm going to jointing like this. Then it becomes as a Rama Rao. With a space or without spaces, sir? Without space. You are not given any space. Systems has system not giving any space. If you need the space, after the Rama, you have to use the extra like this. So Ramarao without space, concatenation successfully done. Next, second option. But why it is did the concatenation? Because both sides we have the strings. Then only it performs the concatenation. Now document dot write followed by 100 mangoes. Line break. What it is doing, sir? Again concatenation. Why, sir? One side string available. Just now I said point. Any one side string is available, it performs the concatenation. Yes, the left side or right side I don't want. One of the value should be string. Then I'll go for concatenation. So output how much, sir? 100 mangoes. 100 plus mangoes, so 100 mangoes. Concatenation again. Now go to the top of the program. X plus Y. X is string, Y is string. Then only it performs the addition. Then it performs the addition. So there is no strings addition. Same place. Well, again, same place I'm using here also. Even if you write the here X plus mangoes, sir. X mangoes. X inside how much available? 30 or 33 available something. 33 mangoes. Because current value of X is 33. X is number, sir. Left side number available, but right side string available. The string dominating the this number. Concatenation again. So this is the concatenation situations and top of the program addition situations. One operator, different purposes, situational wise. So these are the binary operators which required mostly in our programming. All these 5 operators, regular programming we are going to using, sir. Regularly we have to use all these 5 operators regularly. Next one, fifth, 5 completed together. Sixth one. Who is sixth one? Increment and decrement operator I'll introduce. Increment, decrement. So plus plus is increment operator, minus minus is decrement operator. Double plus, double minus, no space. There is no space, sir. If space given a meaning changing again. Formally. When you give the space, that becomes as addition or concatenation. Double plus, double minus. Double plus is called as increment operator. Double minus is called as decrement operator. So what is the use of increment operator, sir? Meaning it is incrementing the value. Plus plus is incrementing the value. How much, sir? Oh, so much, no, sir. Only one. One, no. The current value plus one. Current value minus one. So it is adding one and it is subtracting one. It is subtracting one. Subtracting one from your current value, adding to your number one. So that formula what's current value plus one, no, current value minus one. That is inside your variable, if any value is there, that value plus one, no, or that value minus one. So adding to one existing value, subtracting one from the existing value. That is the meaning of plus plus and minus minus. And next one, this operator we are using in 2 formats, sir. This operator we are using in 2 formats. The variable before we can use this operator and variable after also we can use this operator. Both cases also. Before the variable, after the variable. Before the variable it is called as the pre. After the variable it is called as the post. Very good question, but one small doubt. But same question you are asked in Java, na? A doubt. Hmm? If you are Java student, same question are you asked in Java? If you are Python student, same question you asked in Python? Asked, huh? If you asked, then already you know the answer. By chance, if you are not asked, you don't know the answer. Now, second question. Why not asked? Java na Python na? Narayana? Are you Java or are you Python? That time you are not getting doubt. Why I am only creating doubts? Oh shit. ఎంత పని చేసావు నారాయణ అంటే my explanation problem? Okay. Wait few minutes, you will get the answer for that one. So if you use the operator before the variable, anything plus plus or minus minus, both is called as the pre. And if you use the variable after both plus plus and minus minus, it is called as the post. Pre-increment, pre-decrement. Post-increment, post-decrement. Pronunciations is that one. Like as our mobile connections are prepaid connections or postpaid connections. not some, all our mobile connections are the prepaid only. Because first we are paying the money and then using companies, offices, those I think mostly they are using the postpaid. Prepaid not correct for companies. Reason if you go for prepaid or 2.5 GB is there. 2.5 GB company employee using is not possible. Then only how much they want to use, they don't know. First they are using. How much user, that amount they are paying. Companies restrictions not, limitations not correct. Sometimes they do want to do lot of work, lot of transactions also. మనకి కామన్ యూజర్ ఏంటంటే రిస్ట్రిక్షన్ రిక్వైర్డ్ అది, అదర్వైజ్ బ్యాండ్ బాజా ఫర్ పాకెట్ అది. సో యాజ్ పర్ ద నీడ్ ఆఫ్ ది పర్సన్, సంబడి యూజింగ్ ద ప్రీపెయిడ్ కనెక్షన్స్, సంబడి యూజింగ్ ద పోస్ట్ పెయిడ్ కనెక్షన్స్, దట్స్ ఆల్. సింపుల్ థింగ్. ఇఫ్ ఐ యూజ్ ద పోస్ట్ పెయిడ్ కనెక్షన్, ఇఫ్ ఐ యూజ్ ద ప్రీపెయిడ్ కనెక్షన్, సేమ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ సేమే. ఇప్పుడు ప్రీపెయిడ్ కనెక్షన్స్ ఏమి డిఫరెంట్ ఫీచర్స్ అవైలబుల్, అంటే పోస్ట్ పెయిడ్ కనెక్షన్స్, prepaid connections, calling style any difference, chatting style any difference, accessing of the internet any differences, sir? Nothing available, same. Then why the two, sir? Comfortability, convenience, pay and use and pay it. Two systems are there. Generally what we thought, sir, and post and pre, and public talk I am saying, but what you feel, I don't know. What you know about that one, I don't know. So what is the difference between the post and pre, sir? Two types you given, the pre and post separately. Whenever the two things available, mostly our brain saying those are the different, then only two types they are providing. Common thing. Okay, but final open secret. Most of the students per point of view, prepaid will get the one type of answer, postpaid will get the one type of answer. When I use the prepaid, it is early incrementing and answer is going to changing. When I use the postpaid, it is lately incrementing, then answer is going to changing. This is one public talk. But actually, frankly speaking, there is no difference between the postpaid and prepaid. If you use the pre-incrementation, if you use the post-incrementation, if you use the pre-decrementation, if you use the post-decrementation, your value remains same only. Difference not available. But as per my expectation, I think most of you, this different you are feeling, but it's not, sir. It's the same only. Factor. Proof also comes after few minutes. Not different, sir. Both same. That is I am saying. Other language, any language same. When you use the pre-incrementation, post-incrementation, your value remains the same. But just now explain, sir. But prepaid connection, postpaid connection, differences explain. Prepaid mobile connection, postpaid mobile connection, difference explain. Prepaid connections calls supporting, postpaid connections calls not supporting. Prepaid connection fastly working, postpaid connection slowly working. No. Prepaid connection after pressing the dial button, then only call connecting. Postpaid connection without pressing dial button, call connecting automatically. And when you got the feel, I want to call it, automatically your mobile calling. And a feeling వచ్చిందంటే వెళ్ళిపోద్ది కాల్ అది. You don't need to press the dial button. These are the differences. But what is difference? No difference. But how these two differences come? So you are changing the timing. You are changing the timing of payment. Here also we are changing the timing of incrementation. Timing of incrementation changing, but incrementation is not going to change. Here incrementing, here incrementing. But early incrementing, here is the late increment. If you do any type of incrementation, finally your variable value is same only. Same answer it will comes. Or when we'll get the difference, sir? But if both are same, I think there is no use to use the both things, sir. That only I am saying, sir. When you will get the difference between these two, sir, and your dependencies are getting the difference, not you. Your variable remains the same in the post and pre operations. 100% same in all languages, not only JavaScript. We received wrongly that one. 100% in every language, post and pre, same only. There is no difference in that one. But these variable values, other variables are using when you are writing the formula, no, when you are implementing some calculations, so some other variables, they are utilizing these values, right? Other variables are getting the difference, not you. So prepaid, postpaid difference is that one. Okay, go for mobile connections. But prepaid connections, any office running required? No need, kada. Prepaid SIMs maintenance office not required. The postpaid SIMs, if I want to run it, I need one outlet also, one office also required. మనకి available ఈ ఏరియాలో సరౌండింగ్ వోడాఫోన్ ఆఫీస్ అవైలబుల్, ఎయిర్టెల్ ఆఫీస్ ఆల్సో అవైలబుల్. మోస్ట్లీ వాట్ దే ఆర్ డూయింగ్ సార్ అంటే పోస్ట్పెయిడ్ ఆపరేషన్స్ దే ఆర్ డూయింగ్. అంటే కస్టమర్ దెర్ ఇస్ నో డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద పోస్ట్పెయిడ్ అండ్ ప్రీపెయిడ్. ఇఫ్ యూస్ ద ప్రీపెయిడ్ ఎక్స్ట్రా ఆఫీస్ నాట్ నెసరీ. ఇఫ్ యూస్ ద postpaid extra office required. Whenever you need extra office, or 10 to 15 members getting the job. Executives required, employees, sweeper required, office boy required, showroom manager required. Easily 10 to 15 members getting job. And if you use the prepaid of 10 to 15 members losing the job. Who affected? Customer? No, third party persons affected. A third party persons means your third party variable. మన హోటల్స్ అవైలబుల్ కదా, హోటల్స్ మన ఈ సరౌండింగ్ సో మెనీ మెస్ హోటల్స్ ఆర్ అవైలబుల్. ఇప్పుడు హోటల్స్లో 2 types అవైలబుల్, టోకెన్ సిస్టమ్ అవైలబుల్, బిల్ పేమెంట్ సిస్టమ్ అవైలబుల్. వాట్ ఈస్ డిఫరెన్స్ సార్? టోకెన్ సిస్టమ్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ పే ద మనీ దెన్ టేక్ ద ఫుడ్. బిల్ పేమెంట్ సిస్టమ్ వాట్ సార్? ఫస్ట్ టేక్ ద ఫుడ్ అండ్ పే ద మనీ. మళ్ళీ అగైన్ ప్రీపెయిడ్, పోస్ట్ పెయిడ్. ఫస్ట్ అమౌంట్ దెన్ ఫుడ్. సెకండ్ సినారియో ఫస్ట్ ఫుడ్ దెన్ పేమెంట్. Prepaid, postpaid again. Would you have any difference in prepaid, postpaid? And first I may pay the money, they are giving small quantities, sir. Later, if I pay the money, they are giving more quantities, sir. A difference is available. Never, I never found anywhere. If you pay the early money, if you pay the late money, quantity is same. Taste also same. There is no difference. But why two systems? The management comfortability. When you go for the token system, sir, 10 plus members job losing. Yes, they're losing the job. Management getting the more money. Servers no need kada. Token system into what? Customer directly go into the cash counter taking the token. Customer directly go into the food section taking the food. Why we need the servers? Waiters. Bill payment, sir. Bill payment means servers required. And around one small hotel also 10 to 15 servers required. Again, if 15 people losing the job, and a third party persons affecting again. So each person over 15,000 salary, sir, and 1,50,000 per month management getting the profit. When token system scenario, the matter. Additional profit extra mali. Only employees removing profit. And cleaning persons, sir. Cleaning persons here required. But waiters, here required waiters. But here no waiters, no servers. Are servers salaries and ఇప్పుడు సేవ్డే కదా. అది hotel management benefit అది. You are not getting any benefit, I am not getting any benefit. So when you go for prepaid operation, postpaid operation, your activity remains the same. Your data somebody utilizing a third party variables are getting the differences. The reality of the pre and post operations, sir. Believing or not, your interest. What happening exactly, that is I explained. But geniuses, you are not believing and secondary thing. మీరు ఆల్రెడీ టాలెంటెడ్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ కదా. ఈ గ్రూప్ అంతా గర్ల్స్ యువర్ బిలీవింగ్, నాట్ బిలీవింగ్. మీరు ఇంకా డబుల్ టాలెంటెడ్ అయితే. ఎవరు నాట్ బిలీవింగ్ అంట. కొద్దిగా డ్రాప్ ద నేమ్ అమ్మా, హూ ఇస్ నాట్ బిలీవింగ్. Who shown the down thumb symbol? Hmm? No problem. Just drum once again. A name not visible clearly, and I'll open your eyes. That's it. I'll try to open your eyes. Once again. Mali, you are not understanding and my explanations waste together. So I'll show specially for you. Message gane drop the message. Otherwise, again raise the same thumb symbol. You are Java na Python. In your language, I'll prove it. Not my language. In your language, I'll prove it. What we discuss it happens or not. In your language, I'll prove it. Navaneet, I think. Correct kada? So Navaneet, you are Java na Python na? I'll show in your language only. What I explained is happened or not. Java na Python na? So thumb raising is a 1 second of matter, sir. You have to have the guts to face also. ఊరికిట్ట చెబితే అది సో మాకు వితౌట్ నోయింగ్ మేము వీఆర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్. Say your language, say I'll show in your language only. Without any idea, without any experience, we are going to explaining all these things. Yeah. 13 years. Mm. We are explaining the classes, not the personal things. Kada. When we are going to discussing anything in the class without testing thoroughly, we are not going to sharing any information to student because hundreds of students are available. See, sir, here. What is our current value of x? 33. Current value of x. I'm applying that one. See that. X plus plus. This is post. Document dot write followed by close the line break. And print the x value. What is the answer? 34. Change the pre or post to pre. Same variable, I changed the operation. Current value still x value 33 only. 33 plus plus. Answer is 34. Where is the difference, Murray? I used the pre and post one by one. Now I'm using both at a time. See this one. Current value 33. Well, again, starting process 33. Post operation. 33 becomes as 34. Next plus plus. Pre. Both using. Now it becomes as a 35. See the last two answers of your page. Printing not done. Wait. What is the answer? 34 and 35. Where is difference? Shuffle the order. First do the pre-incrementation and then do the post-incrementation. First pre and then post. Where is the difference? Individually used, both used, and shuffled also order. Pre place post, post place pre. Then also I'll get the Same answer. If you go for pre, if you go for post, the particular variable value remains same, difference not comes. If you want to get the difference, you should link up with some other variables. Other variables are getting the difference, and clearly I'm saying two examples also explained: mobile connection and hotel connection also. Who dropped that not accepting? But now can you talk anything? Govinda, Govinda. Same thing if you want to prove it in your words, your other language, there also I'll prove it. That's not a matter. Uh, Next time, be carefully reject that one. Huh? Mm. Before rejecting, think 1 to 2 times again. Now I'll show the difference also. I shown here no difference. Now difference also available, but where sir and others? That is also I'm proving here. See that. But after this one, what is the final value of x sir and 35? Back to these comments. So after these two, the final value of x is 35. Now here I'm taking some let res equals to 10 multiplied with 10 multiplied with x plus plus. 10 multiplied with x plus plus. But current value of x, how much sir? Into 35. But what it is doing, 10 multiplied with 35, 350. 350 storing into res. Storing into res. After storing into res, then it is incrementing to 36. That is the meaning of post. Later it is incrementing. After some time it is going to incrementing. End of the month you have to pay the money. For the whole month, sir, you can use that. This is after completion of this task, this incrementation is going on. So who got the effect? We'll see that one. But what is the value of x? 35 or 36? Huh? 36 already step completed. Kada? X value is 36. RES value 350, but x value is 36. Now the same step again repeating, sir. 10 multiplied with plus x. Put this in comment. Put that one in comment. Plus x. No, this is in comment. So again your x value is 35. 35, yeah. Now comes to the step. 10 multiplied with plus x. What is the meaning, sir? First to do this one. 35 becomes as a 36. A 36 multiplied with 10. Then answer of RES is 360. But x value 36. Here also x value 36. My value same. But who affected? RES affected, not me. You implemented increment on me, but I am not getting any effect. If you write the pre, if you write the post, I'll reply in the same response. My data using by other variables, that other variables are getting the difference. So here is answer 360, but you reminds 36 only. So show it, sir. Run one after one. So document dot write followed by print x value, line break, print res, line break. Now check the answer, sir. Last two lines, 36 and 350. 350. Now put this in comment and this one activated. Once again, 36, 360. How can show the difference between post and pre, your point of view? No. Others' point of view, difference. Others affecting, not you. On which variable you applied that incrementation, so that variable so same only. these variables, so some others using the data, kada, those getting the problems. Problems and the variations are comes. Same operations you can perform for the decrement also, sir. The same activity will continues that one. Next, here when I explained that one, it is adding one, no, it is subtracting the one, right? But somebody they already asked a doubt also, one student. We can write directly x plus 1, guys, sir. Why x plus plus, sir? Because this is arithmetic operator, plus 1. No? This is increment operator. But both result is same way. It is adding 1 to x value. It is also adding 1 to x value. Then what is the difference? Arithmetic operator is there gonna, why we should go for this increment and decrement operators? Instead of writing the plus plus, x plus 1, instead of writing the minus minus, x minus 1, simple task. Like extra learning, a post, a prior remembering, you collaborate this total. You can simply go for arithmetic. Point not understand. Huh? Doubt? My doubt got it or not? Huh? Then answer, no idea. Instead of increment to decrement, you can simply go for arithmetic plus arithmetic minus, same result. Why these extra discussions, extra complications? Python using this only. Yeah. That only, sir. Instead of plus plus, so we can use arithmetic plus. Kada. We have an option or not? For arithmetic plus, we know very well, we can easily write. If plus pluses, minus minuses, the complication writing. No idea, na? Hmm? కొన్ని ఏ కండిషన్స్ విచ్ కండిషన్స్ ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ సెకండ్ స్టెప్ ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ అయిపోద్ది కదా సేమ్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది ఇంక్రిమెంట్ ఆపరేటర్స్ డిక్రిమెంట్ ఆపరేటర్స్ పర్పస్ వాట్స్ ఆర్ అంటే షార్ట్ కట్ పర్పస్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఫర్ షార్ట్ కట్ పర్పస్ really 80% of people they don't know this point fact see it is same step available na without increment operator what to do see this x available kada already x equals to x plus 1 after this these are the two steps you have to write incrementation separate step multiplication separate step both at a time doing is not possible these two steps writing in single line that operate is helping for us if you elaborate this step this is the meaning what I did here first adding 1 to x by using arithmetic operator. But 35 increase it 36 or not? But the 36 is multiplying with x. So it actually two steps. So the two steps here we typed as a single step shortcut coding. The original uses of the unary operators. So plus incrementing 1 no, minus decrementing 1 that we can do with our shorthand operators also. Arithmetic operators not interested, you can write also shorthand operator also available. But you have to write the two steps. That's two steps I can combine with the single line operation like this. And why the two steps, sir? We can write here directly x plus 1, sir. If I write like this, multiplication okay, but my x value is not incrementing because after adding the plus 1, no, the result we are not stored anywhere. Incremented, but not stored. And if you write like this, sir, incrementation after your value storing into X also. The stored data, next step I am substituting. It is second line. When while go to the first line, what happens, sir? RES equals to 10 multiplied with X. After that, X equals to X plus 1. Right. This is post operation. This is the pre operation. This is original logic. This original logic, your unary operators are simplifying. This is reality. మళ్ళీ ఇంకా డౌన్ థమ్ సింబల్ యువర్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ మీకు ఏది కావాలంటే అది పెట్టుకోండి. ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లం. బట్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద రియాలిటీ. అది ఓ సింగిల్ థంబ్ నాట్ అయితే 2 థమ్స్ పెట్టుకోండి ఇలా. సో 2 థమ్స్ లేదంటే లెగ్స్ థమ్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయి. 2 థమ్స్ 4 థమ్స్ పెట్టుకోండి, నో ప్రాబ్లం. బట్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఒరిజినల్ సబ్సెట్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద రియాలిటీ. అది sometimes this one is going to increasing also. And suppose y also I want to use it, sir. Just example. So y plus plus multiplied with like this. But now if we expand that one, that becomes as a 3 steps. Y plus plus post together, you will get like this. Instead of writing these 3 lines code, we can write in the single line by using unary operators. So what you know previously unary operators, what we discussed, operators same, meaning same. Problem. చూపిస్తారా తమ్ bottom thumbs now? So unary operators are going to simplifying your operations, faster operations and simplifying. Who are not interested in the unary operators, don't touch that one. Instead of unary operators, you can manage every situation with our arithmetic operators, but steps are going to increasing. The option. Condition gadi, all conditions it works. Clear? Huh? What is online candidates? So that's all the increment and decrement operators are individual I shown and combinations also I shown, and what is the specialization also I explained here. But here I focused on plus operator only, increment. Same steps rewrite with minus minus, so you'll get the clarity. Okay, remaining we'll see on tomorrow's session. Thank you all. Any questions, sir? Online candidates? Useful in loops, sir. Anywhere we can use here. Malli,